I know this might not look like much now, but this is absolutely downloadable and printable. This is a yearly calendar where the months are along the left side here vertically, and the days from the first of the month go all the way to the right. So we have January 1st to December 31st here, but this is meant to be downloaded and printed. So let me show you how to do that. File, download PDF. So there are 4 versions of this, but if you're using the big version, when we go to download the PDF, use the landscape, fit to page, and I like to make the narrow margins. I like to make the margins narrow. Go ahead and do that if you wish, or you can make it normal. I don't think there's much change at all. There, maybe wide is not so good, but narrow is great. Go and export that, and if you all want to have a portrait version of this, go to Tall, go to File, Download, PDF, and you're going to use Portrait, and you're going to use Tabloid. Make sure you use Tabloid. This is the biggest sort of ratio that I found, and it makes it the nicest sort of ratio. You can use Letter or Legal or something else, but I find Tabloid to be the best. Make sure you fit to page, and that's going to get you the best result possible so you can plan your entire year. There's also a checkbox version, so let's look at that. PDF, landscape, so you can have little check boxes. You can even laminate this, make it a really cool whiteboard version. Oh, by the way, if you haven't been told yet, this is absolutely free. Just go to bettersheets.co/big year. Over there on Gumroad, you can enter $0. Usually, and I found this twice now, it's $47 printed, but this is free. Download it, print it yourself on a little small version, or go to a printer and get a big version made. Whatever you do, make 2024 a big year.